Guys, I just want to say, I love Bash. I don't know, I was pulled. But for real though, thanks for making me pull my motor.
Yeah, buddy. Now I'm gonna make Juan finish his fender flares. I'm just
You're just doing it for him. I wasn't even trying to pull my motor. I was just trying to place a diff bolt.
That's this hole right here. He's missing a bolt.
Okay, well, I'm leaving. Have fun not finishing this video, probably.
Well, this is the past 3 days is all gonna be one. It could have looked like this on both sides, Daquan, if you would have just cut them better. He freaking butchered the other side, but we got it all sealed up. Hope you guys probably enjoyed me not talking this whole time, but as you can see, nice and sealed. I didn't seal the outside because when we go and weld the fender flares, I mean, it's gonna be like right here. So the gap is like a finger can't even fit in there, so we'll just put the seam sealer up in here and just fill it all the way after the whatever's welded on. But I think that's it. Looks good. This big ass. Whoa my god! That shit came right at me. That's a big exhaust right there. What do you think about that, Hydro? Alright, Juan's about to start it up. With the muffler on there. I lied earlier. He just stuck it on there though.
Okay, I want you to imagine.
Oh! That sounds pretty good. Yeah. That's pretty quiet.
That makes it keep it rumbling. Rev it up like high.
It sounds great at idle. Oh yeah, that's way good. Oh, she sounds good.
Is it scraping or something?
Damn! That shit sounds sick.
You seen the little flame popping up?
Holy shit, guys. Hello, how are you doing? It has been forever. Me and Daquan finally have some time, and we're finally gonna finish this video. I'm probably gonna put this in the beginning of the video, but this was actually started 3 or 4 weeks ago, so enjoy that. And you'll probably see us in a couple minutes doing the shit that we're gonna do today. So yeah, it's basically based on his ulterior motive fender flares, and maybe we'll incorporate some other stuff in today. Yeah, got it, capiche. We should take this thing out in the rain. That'd be a party, but you don't have a hood, so.
GTO had a hole in the hood. It probably wouldn't matter.
Yeah.
My tire didn't go flat.
No, it didn't. Damn, well shit, you can't go in the rain. We got bare metal fender flares.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a good idea. Alright, so we're about to start working on the fenders. We are gonna cut a line with this trim right here on this and this, so we can like always. So we can plate the bottom and then fully weld this up, seal it. We're gonna silicone the inside just like we did the fender wells, which you can see in there. And then we're going to undercoat everything, and then he wants to paint this, try to match it to the red on the outside for temporary until we paint all the cars hot fire.
Straight down.
Well, no, don't go off of the tape. Keep the blade deep. The blade can't bend. Keep the blade deep with the line. Didn't hit your lip. Oh, your door's locked. Come on, look at your door. It opens. Look at that motherfucker. Look how far it sticks out.
I don't know. This thing doesn't.
Holy damn, you got hella rubber in here. Oh my gosh. We need to make something from here to here. Alright, got the fenders fully welded up. They're cooling down now, and we're going to go ahead and do the soft pad to them. The reason we went ahead and decided to fully weld them instead of do the tacks like they were is it's just going to fully seal it from any water getting up on the inside. If we would have just silicone sealed it, and you know he accidentally ripped off some water could have worked its way up, and then rust. You know, it only takes the littlest bit of water to cause the littlest bit of rust. Sorry for my English. But there they are cut, and this is just going to be temporary. It was just not worth the risk of leaving them hanging down for right now, and if they got messed up. So when we do go ahead and get his kit in the mail, you know, you can just take this, start mocking up the side skirts, and then go ahead and mold this to the side skirts, which will be down here, obviously, and it'll all be fly as fuck, as one would say. I want to grind them down and get them smooth. What you rubbing your dick for?
Can't find a Sharpie.
Like for your Sharpie dick? Oh!
Oh shit, I was talking shit too.
We just made this really
Well,
confused.
you made, because
Yeah, I
I
made.
fucking hated it and I wanted to do it simple.
We got a sweet little fender piece right there. We have the edges, obviously. Once we weld it, we'll just grind it down. But this should fit, well, it does fit really good. And he has this weird, like, flat bend right there. And all the other corners are normal, and this one's got, like, this flat bend. So, look at that. If you look in there, oops, hang on. Fits really good. So we'll tack it all down. I wish we could take the gas door off.
We can.
We can? Oh, shit, Edge Phillips. All right, well, let's do that.
Tyler has arrived.